In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Unity project with someone. Sharing a Unity project with someone can be done in few ways. Here are two common methods. Unity Collaborate. Unity Collaborate is an integrated service that allows you to collaborate on Unity projects with team members. Here's how to use it. Set up your project for Unity services. Enable the Collaborate service by selecting Collab in the toolbar and clicking Start Now. Write your first message and publish your file. You can invite team members using the Unity IDs and they'll be able to access the project through Unity Hub. Second method be through sharing a link. If you want to share a private link with someone who already has access to the project, click copy link next to the project. To share a link with anyone who has a Unity account, enable public link and then click copy link to generate a shareable URL. Remember to choose the method that best suits your need and the level of collaboration required. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.